Today's painting begins with a clean white canvas and a bold mix of colors. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. For this fluid art piece, I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using red, green, blue, purple, and gold. To start, I pour down a white base coat. The white helps the colors move more easily across the canvas and give the painting a soft background for the design to develop. After pouring the white base coat on the canvas, I began adding the colors one by one. First came the purple, which brings a deep, almost mysterious tone to the painting. Then I added blue, which helps cool the composition and create a sense of calm movement across the surface. Next came the green, adding the earthy balance between the cooler blues and the warmer tones that follow. The red introduced a strong burst of energy, giving the paint a bold contrast against the surrounding colors. Finally, I added gold, which catches the light and adds a subtle metallic highlight that ties the whole composition together as the colors begin to interact on the canvas. Using a wooden skewer, I gently move through the paint to guide the colors and create flowing lines throughout the composition. After the design began to form, I tilted the canvas so gravity could stretch the paint and help the colors interact with each other. As the paint settled, the red, blues, purple, and green and gold began to blend and transform into an abstract design that looked so beautiful on the canvas. Even though this painting came together quickly, it's a great reminder of how fluid art can transform a simple canvas to something full of movement and colors. Watching the paint stretch and interact always brings a sense of curiosity because every tilt reveals something slightly different. Sometimes the process is fast and sometimes it takes patience, but each painting carries its own personality. This one feels bold and playful with a mix of red, blues, greens, and purple and gold flowing across the white base. Thank you for spending a few moments watching this painting come together. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I always enjoy hearing what shapes, patterns, or feelings you see in the artwork. And as always, remember, stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.